This is a project I've been working on for a little bit of time here. This is a Protel Payphone. You see I have it apart. This is the bottom half and this is the top half. But what I've done here was, I'm not sure if this box works, and I've got a plan B going here where I may just make this into a standard phone. So what I did was I created a DTMF generator here, hooked it up to this old 500. I made a ribbon cable that attaches to the cable on the back of the phone right there. You can see it goes down, follows that around, does that. The DTMF generator is this Arduino right there, and I made the keyboard work just like this keyboard here on the front of the phone. So if I'll hook the speaker up so you could hear, so I don't have to put the phone to the thing. So I pick it up, you can hear a dial tone, and we'll call the phone service here. I have this free weather service, so 9 to get out. 3. Let's turn that up a little bit.
Thank you for calling your Tampa Bay Area National Weather Service office. This menu will provide you with recorded forecast and other weather service office information. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 2 p.m. Sunday, June 7th, 2020 for the KHB 32 listening area for the following counties
we got
in
this.
Florida.
Down. And that's it. So we're still working on it. Everything works as far as the headset, the transmitter, and the receiver works with this 500 plus the switch and the keypad. The loud doesn't work, of course, because there's no way to make that work. It might be, but I'm not going to do that. The old 500 here, actually, it's fairly complete. It just doesn't have the dial on the front of it here, and but I mostly just wanted it for the network. Even though the bells are connected and they would ring too if it was off the hook. But since I'm using the hook switch on here, I actually have this hook switch sidestep, so it just cuts the whole power to there, cuts the connection straight up. But what we got here is, if you look, from that line that way is all the keypad terminals, so the columns and the rows, and then we have the red and the black and the red. That's for our transmitter, and then the receiver is the yellow and the blue, and then they're all connected in to here. You know, I really want to get this working properly, but if the next one I have coming in fails, then plan B is just to make it work like a regular phone, which means take this network out of here and hook the network up in here, build the regular DTMF generator with just a chip. I have that chip. Let's do this here. Yeah, I have the chip started here, so I can build the DTMF generator onto this board here, and then just stick everything in the bottom of the thing. You just have to. I'd have to, of course, drill out the rivets, and I haven't decided whether or not I would want the bell in there. But you know, that's no big deal to put in either. One of the things that's workable for the bell is that the hook switch is a double throw switch, so this is actually active now, this lower one. I'm gonna get a focus on there, but there's 2 connectors here. This one goes back to the phone, and this is the line coming in. So when it's on hook, this one here is actually active, so the bell could hook to that. I would just have to run a separate line for the bell, and everything else works. Like I said, there's no way to get the volume control working because I'm not going to spend the time doing that. But that's it. The code's out there for this if anybody wants to do it. It's just a DTMF generator, and you know, because I'm not using the hook switch with it, I can actually, you know, do all that. But that's it. This is a weekend project, and what I call Plan B if I can't get this payphone to start taking change and making calls proper.